What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Now the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. Alright, that's absolutely fantastic. There's no reason not to do that, and you can make a lot of money doing that, build up some income, you know what I mean, with that type of thing. All the products are 80%. Anything you sell, you get 80% of, which is fantastic. So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here is look at our results here. Now it looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page for you guys. I want you guys to see exactly what I make, and I want you guys to understand that these are my real results. These are money that is going into my bank account. All right, so we're going to refresh the page. All right guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal, because like I said, we restarted. We're getting back on the train here. We're getting back in the motion of things. As you know, at my highest, I made about $1,000, I believe, in a month on this, just doing this simple method here. And if you want to take it further, you can make YouTube shorts. The way I do is making shorts. But anyway, let's just continue on with this process here. Now, the first and foremost, you need to get your link. This is the link that I use here, the all-in-one business sales letter, right? Now, the way you get your links is there's a link in the description that says incomespeaks.com, or you could just type in incomespeaks.com. Anyone, click on the link or type it in. Very simple name on type. That's why I made it that. So just once you click on it, whatever, it's gonna take you to this page here, which is basically the sales letter of $25 business. Now, what $25 business is actually is a funnel builder. It's a funnel builder unlimited for $25 a month, which is fantastic. You could use it. You know what I mean? We mainly concerned with the affiliate system, but you probably could use it to make your own funnel builders for other products and so on and so forth if you want to. So anyway, guys, that's how it is to that. All right. So once you decide you want to try this out, you're going to click on yes, I want in, right? And once you in yes, I want in, you just put in your basic information as you can see here, and you just complete order and get instant access. Now, one thing I want to speak on, if you click on my link or type in incomespeaks.com, don't matter which one you do, you'll get this HBA Premium for free. Now, this is traffic, learning traffic, showing you how to set up ads, stuff like that to make more money. And AI content creation machine called Immersion that you can use to make content for you, articles or whatever it may be. And yeah, you can use that and get instant access for 2 weeks for free, guys. 2 weeks completely free if you use my link now. One cool thing about this is that if you were to get a sale in this, right, you got a sale in this for them 2 weeks, you keep that money even though you haven't even paid for it. So you essentially own the product, you get that money anyway. All right, guys, so make sure to do that because it's straight up free from my link. All right, so anyway, once you do that, guys, what you want to do, you want to go over to find a way to promote the product, right? So that's going to be the second link there. It's going to take you to my lead gen secret here. Well, it won't take you to this page, but it'll take you to like the front page where you can make an account on. So eventually you do all that, you make your account, then you get to a page with this at the top here. You want to click on mailing system. All right, you click on mailing system, it's going to shoot leads. You probably only have 100 leads, but don't worry about that. You can totally get sales with just 100 leads. One thing to note about these leads, they're interested in making money, but they're very cold leads. They're very cold leads. All right, but they work. You get sales from it. It's worked for me for a long time, and it can work for you guys too. That's all I want to say there. And so you just put these leads in here, make sure you get your leads here, then you load up your emails here, it in the email. You can copy the ones I use, or you can use ChatGPT to make email. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use ChatGPT to make another email. That's what I want to show you guys here. Right, so we're gonna click on that. Okay, we're gonna go with right. Create another email similar to the last one. Basically, I just been copying, just saying create another email. So I ain't been even. It's an email. I started with an email that I wrote myself, and then I just constantly said create another email like this, create another email like this, create another email like this, and it's just been pumping out emails for me. As you can see, there go another one. Very solid email. Looks pretty strong to me. Gonna go with it. This, copy, post it in. Paste. Right, that's how I started it. I'm gonna delete this part here. Honestly, this got email. Copy this right here. Copy that. Gotta do a little bit of editing before we send this email. A couple of things we need to give. But first, let's put our link in the right spot here. Copy. Oh. One more thing we need to do. That what I want to do, isolate and underline this. Isolate. Now we're gonna bold all of these. Bold this. Bold this. Looks pretty good. Got rid of all the little nits and gnats there. So one more thing we want to do here, guys, is we want to move the line and then pop it back into place, because if it's in the wrong spot, basically if it looks like it's in the right spot, comes the movement, but it pops back into place once you around a little bit, every line here. And what will happen, you'll get an error that it's in the wrong spot. I don't know why my lead gen do this, but I know how to fix it. Essentially, you just do this every line and it'll be fine. I don't know if you watch an older video of mine, but it's shown that this happened to me and I ain't know what to do. I figured it out. This works this works for that. If you popping in an email, sometimes that could happen if you just paste the email in there. But once you do that, it should be fine. So once you do that, got perfect timing, send an email around time people check email, right? So next thing you want to do is check preview and make sure your link works. If your link works perfectly good, then you send an email and you're done. That's all there is to it, guys. Very simple method, very easy method. You do this every morning. 30 seconds once you get a bunch of emails in there. Once you get a ton of emails in there, 30 seconds maybe. Doing it, we're gonna do it like this for a while until we get like, I'd say about 15 emails, and then we rotate them. All right, guys, that's how we're gonna do it, and that's all there is to it. All right, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.